I will now create the cabinets. I'm going to use the solids to generate the general shape of the cabinets and the counter, and then I will add details. I have already created the layers that I will need, and I will go to the polyline command. Beginning the polyline here, coming out the length of the cabinet for the toe kick. This is 1'7". Taking it over, I'm going to select View 3D Orbit, and I can do this in the middle of the polyline command. Shift right click, selecting perpendicular to this edge, going back, and typing C for close. I will now extrude this polyline. Specifying the height, I will select this point, and going back to the point filter command using the shift right click, I'd like to select the Z coordinate of this point. It's requesting the XY after that, so I'm going to use the @ symbol indicating to use the same XY coordinates that I initially picked. No angle of taper, and I enter. And this is the toe kick. Changing the view again. I will draw another rectangle from this corner to that corner. Gripping it, I will take this point, bringing it out by 3 inches, doing the same to the other side, taking that point, bringing it out by 3, and now extruding this object from this point up to this point. Entering, I have the cabinet. The next thing I want to do is the counter. I can now turn off the wall layer, creating a counter, a rectangle from that endpoint to this endpoint. I can take that and bring it out by 2 inches, checking the distance with the DI command from this point to this point. That would be 2 feet. So I will do the same on this side, bringing it out by 2 inches, and then extruding this rectangle by a total of, say, 1.5 inches for the countertop. And finally, I can change the UCS to, say, face UCS of this face. The X and Y line up. I'm going to create a rectangle from this point over to that point, and then selecting it, raising it here by 2 inches, doing the same to the other side for a total of 2 inches here, and then giving this a thickness of 1 inch, and moving it to the back from this point back to that point. And then I can union, and there is the basic shape of the kitchen cabinet and the countertop.